Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. 26 Tango Mike 062. Just had a message come in on my phone and someone asked me what the numbers mean. So 26 is division for the CB, so being United Kingdom is 26, 108 is Scotland, I think 68 is Ireland, something like that. If you Google CB divisions you'll find out. Tango Mike is the group I've joined and 062 is a unit number. So I'm out on holiday this week and I'm down in Dorset. That bloody thing there. God, a greedy bugger. So I thought I'd have a listen on CB, see what the CB is like down here. Oh, they're throwing it out from that caravan. So, yeah, just one holiday. The caravans. So let's have a listen on the CB, see what the CB is like round here, this way. That's nice.
Come on, Mike Tobish.
Oh, skip rolling in.
The 025 so when the Italians and the Germans and us with the guys in Glasgow,
the focus. Go on, 11 metres is active.
Kingdom.
Short stuff's coming in. I think there's a lot of Scotland calling in. Oh, there's a sort of beep.
Yeah, Mr. Kelvin, no problem. I think I spoke to him when I was mobile the other day. Cheers for coming in, mate, and yeah, lovely to hear you.
That's Stan in the van. How can it stand in the van on the one on channel?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Kelvin, was I speaking to you?
Channel 27, stand in the van of that bloody bleak, you ran on it anywhere. Just gonna go around the 40 channels. So that noise means there is sidebanders up. So 555 will be buzzing right about now. Let's go back to 20.
Hey, options booming up in North of Newcastle.
Oh, short stuff is definitely coming in. There's Newcastle.
Well, the options booming, the modulation, beautiful.
He's going now, that was 28. Stand in the van. So yeah, 11 metres. Let's turn down. 11 metres here in Dorset, Holiday Park. He is very active. Look at all that lot there, look at them all. So I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this quick video and hopefully do some more CB on the bike soon. 26 Tango Mike 062 73s. Bye bye bye.